jaguars and papagayos, yellow corn in the fields. Imagine a land, fíjate, imagine.
Oye, marimba, ¿quieres sandía?
Mira, que están en las ceibas, allí.
Imagine a place in the mountains.
There's war in the mountains.
Fire in the sky. Imagine this place not far from here.
Fíjate, imagine. Cross the border.
Take my story, cross the borders.
Take my hand.
Take my story, take my story. Fíjate, imagine.
Stop. That's it, kid. Now you hold it right there.
Hey, son. Where do you come from? Guatemala, Mexico, El Salvador? Who brought you here? Your parents? Where are your parents, son? Sus padres? ¿Dónde están sus padres? Look, I am a judge's son. How am I supposed to know where to send you back to if I don't know where you're from? What are you afraid of? Where are your parents? Where are you from?
Yo vengo de... It's a pueblito next to my country. By the river they call it the Bailena because it swells up sometimes like a fat green whale. And we, the people, we work for Don Maria. And my father says he can't pick his own beans because his belly is so big and fat he can't find the basket. to put the coffee beans in. But, bueno, after you're done working, you can come to the plaza, where there's always people selling.